Hi garden friends, it's Miss Carolyn here in the ME garden with a video in our series on garden care and maintenance. But today's job will be thinning the bok choy. I'm going to move it over to another bed where some broccoli didn't come up, and then cover it all with a remake cloth because there's a predator in the garden. Predator's name is cabbage moth. So let me show you what we're looking at, and then we'll get to work. Here's my messy tool bag and toolbox, things for the garden. For today's job of transplanting the bok choy, we're going to thin it out and we're going to transplant some of the thinnings to another bed. And for that job, we're going to need our gloves right here, these gloves, and a handy trowel. It's a tiny little shovel. See how it's got marks on it like that? It's very useful for lots of things. And this is actually a weeding tool, but since our plants are so small, it's going to help us pull them out, kind of poke them out of the bed, so we can pull them up, put them in somewhere else. According to the seed packet for the bok choy, which is right here, it says it grows in 40 days, and it needs to be thinned. If you can see in that box on the top, it says thin plants to 12 to 18 inches. So we have a lot of thinning to do because our little bok choys are very close together. So let's get on that, and we'll show you what that looks like when we get it done. Okay, we are done transplanting the bok choy. And as you can see, it almost looks like it might be Halloween in the garden. A little early for that, but it's now covered with a nice light cloth, and you can see it blowing in the wind. Can you see the hoops under it? How many hoops do you count? So let's just peek under the remake and see how the transplanting went. Just lift it up here and take a look. Oh, look at that. Looks so much better. You see how much more room those guys have? They have room to grow nice and big now. So hopefully that will do the trick to give them room to grow, and the remake cloth will keep the critters that want to eat the bok choy from coming and eating our bok choy. So that's it for garden care and maintenance today.
Inch by inch, row by